Alton. This is
Aria. We're from the British School of Paris.
Today we'll be fighting about density. But Aria, what is density?
Well, the simple explanation for density is mass over volume, which means mass, how heavy something is, and volume, how much space it takes up. When something has the most mass, which means the most heaviness, and the least volume, the less it takes up, then it will be the densest. Let's take a good example. If we had 1 cup of feathers and the same cup of rocks, which would be heavier?
The rocks?
Correct. We know that they both have the same amount of volume. They both take up the same amount of space, but the rocks have more mass. They're more heavy. Therefore, the rocks would be heavier.
And more dense.
We're going to go and experiment by ourselves, but before we do that, let's predict.
I think milk will be the most dense.
And I think honey will be the least dense.
This is what we found out.
Do not use milk, and the second rule is lay them in the certain order, and the third rule is don't dye anything like honey. Don't dye anything except for the water.
Okay, we're gonna take some photos of us pouring the ingredients.
But before we do this, we have to show the liquids. Maple syrup and honey.
Sunflower oil, food dyed water, and dish soap. So let's get started.
This is me pouring the honey.
Me pouring the maple syrup.
Layers are laying, pouring the dish soap.
3 layers layered up.
The water has a similar density to the dish soap.
Me pouring the oil.
The liquids have layered up.
This is what happens when you use milk. It mixes with all the ingredients except maple syrup and honey. OMG!